If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 522, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help get you back in fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and the good news is you can often solve it in just a minute or two without doing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, try switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and test it again. Sometimes the error is caused by your current network, so changing your connection can make X load properly again. Next, if you're using a VPN, disable it completely. VPNs can sometimes interfere with your connection to X and trigger errors like 522, so turning it off is an important step. After that, clear your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the clear browsing data window in most browsers. From there, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them. Once that's done, close and reopen your browser, then try accessing x.com again. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix the problem and restore normal access. So just to recap, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable any VPN, and clear your cookies and cache using Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next, because the issue is often network related or caused by stored browser data. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.